Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Google Drive from your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove your Google Drive from Attio CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software provider. So maybe you're going to use one of their competitors. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove your Google Drive, here on the top left, you're going to click on your workspace name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and click on account settings. Once you click there, you're going to see a menu on to the left, and you want to click on storage accounts. Once you do that, you want to look for the Google Drive logo and click on the logo. Once you do that, it's going to open up right below it. And in order to delete or remove your Google Drive, here on the right, click on this red remove button. Next, they're going to ask, are you sure you want to remove your Google Drive from Attio CRM? If so, click on remove account. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my Google Drive logo is up here. So it's no longer connected to Attio CRM unless I come back in here and re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Drive account from your Attio's CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.